First of all, I would like to say that students, we ARDENT COMPUTECH PVT LTD, we are working pan-India based, and we are also associated more than 400 colleges and universities. So now ARDENT is hiring campus ambassadors. So students, those who are interested to join ARDENT as a campus ambassador, then you can join with us. I am sharing my phone number 9933188888. This is my phone number. If you are interested, then you can contact with me. Thank you.
आर्डेंट की तरफ से आज वर्कशॉप ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था डॉक्टर BC इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज फुलियोर दुर्गापुर में। बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला। आप लोग आए थे आर्डेंट की तरफ से। आगे भी मतलब आज आप लोग के साथ मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन करके बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा।
और आर्डेंट हमेशा इस कॉलेज को अच्छा प्रोवाइड किया है, अच्छा वर्कशॉप अटेंड करवाया है और इसी तरह आगे भी करवाएगा तो हम लोग।
और आज बहुत अच्छा से कंडक्ट हुआ, काफ़ी अच्छा से वो जो भी था जो भी कराया उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से, बच्चे लोग को भी समझ में आ रहा था जो भी है हमारे
में हम लोगों को समझाया गया। सारे फैकल्टी बहुत अच्छा।
On behalf of ARDENT COMPUTECH PVT LTD, we are organizing technical workshops and career development workshops and skill development trainings and internship in various colleges of West Bengal. Not only West Bengal, basically we are organizing this internship program pan-India basis, because nowadays we are very much proud to announce that ARDENT is the only one company who is the AICT affiliated and registered under AICT internship portal. So my all dear participants of the various colleges, the authorities of the pan-India basis engineering colleges, my humble request that please contact with us if you have any plan for any kind of workshops or internship program or skill development training and campus recruitment training. I want to highlight our campus recruitment training program, because this campus recruitment training program is registered under AICT NEET Cell. If you can go through the AICT NEET Cell portal, you can say that and you can see our portfolio, because our campus recruitment training program throughout the pan-India only is the program who is promoted by AICT NEET Cell and registered under AICT NEET Cell. So any other colleges and any other partners are willing to conduct this kind of workshops and training and internship, please contact with us. We are very much feel free to contact with us, and we are requesting please follow the description box for the mail ID and the contact numbers. We are always here to help you to upliftment your skill development program. Thank you.